We are talking to Rafael Huerta, and tell us about yourself. You now have a master's degree, and tell us what you teach.
All right, so my name's Rafael Huerta. I'm a sixth grade math teacher. I went to school at UTA, got my
Yeah.
bachelor's there, and then I got my master's at Lamar in education administration. But right now I'm just teaching sixth grade math. So,
Awesome, awesome. And
uh,
you've taught ESL, is that right?
oh yeah, I taught ESL for 5 years, and then I
Wow.
transitioned into math.
Well, good. So let's talk about your YouTube channel. So you said you developed it a little while ago before all this coronavirus quarantine, which has changed the way we
Yeah.
teach. So how did you start it, and what are you doing with it lately?
So prior to the pandemic starting, I had surveyed my class to see how many of them get on YouTube at like when they get home.
Oh, awesome.
So when the majority of them raised their hand, I was like, okay, I need to do something because I only have a little bit of time with them during school. And then I just wanted to be able to reach more kids essentially. And also to provide them with like a way of also viewing the lesson over again. Um, but in a different way. And then they could, click on it and play it as much as they want, rewind it. So that's kind of why I started it, just to be able to reach more kids. Because what they told me was that when they get home, what they do is they just get on YouTube and
Right,
watch videos.
right.
So I was like,
Yeah,
I need them to watch my videos first,
right. Learn
and then
math.
yeah, and then they can get on and watch their other fun videos or whatever they like to do on there.
Oh, that's great. And how did you decide, or how did you get started with it? Like, do you just do it informally, or do you record yourself on a phone?
Yeah, I mean, I use my phone. I've been, I was planning to do it a long time ago,
Oh,
but
cool.
I, I, I was like just nervous about how it was gonna turn out and if I needed to have editing skills or anything like that. But
Mhm.
I used my phone. I used I think I used the iMovie, the app
Oh, yeah.
on the phone, and then yeah, I just started uploading videos of. I started off like how I do my notes in class,
Mhm.
and then it kind of transitioned into doing some example problems to show my face, and then, but the majority of the videos are just like kind of focused on the document with me doing the work and talking pretty
Mhm.
much.
Oh, I like it. When you pick your topics, do you pick like the hard things they struggle with, or is it just stuff you're studying at the moment?
Okay, so yeah, like at first I wanted to do everything, like all
Oh,
the
yeah.
teeth.
Yeah, yeah.
So I started doing the videos that way, but it it was too much.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Um, yeah, and then I also noticed the engagement on the videos went down a little bit. I wanted to focus more on what they needed, maybe make it more engaging. So, and they gave me feedback because they told me the notes. If they saw the notes during class, the notes were kind of similar in the videos, so they didn't want those videos
Right,
anymore.
not more of the same. Yeah.
Yeah, so they wanted more me thinking out loud, going
Oh,
through problems like star-like problems. That's what they wanted. So
oh,
that's
right.
kind of what it transitioned into.
That's great. I like it. Yeah. And how long are your videos?
I think the majority of them are under 10 minutes.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. Attention span.
Right, yeah. You,
Oh,
you
that's
have to
great.
keep it under 10.
I love it. Do you have any like final thoughts or goals that you want to share that you have for your YouTube channel?
Final thoughts, if any of the teachers want to start one, go ahead and just start it. Don't think too much about it. Plan it out for
Mhm.
sure,
Mhm.
but don't be nervous or scared to start one. Your students will appreciate it so much, and
Mhm.
then they'll provide you with the feedback that you need in order to fix what you need to fix. And then just my YouTube, just I'm just gonna keep putting videos out there, just not just for my students, but anyone that wants to watch them. So
Oh, that's great. I like that they're open and out there.
whoever can benefit
Exactly.
from them.
And math can, yeah, math, I liked what you said about they watch them multiple times. I think that's true. especially with
Yeah,
math.
for sure.
Yeah.
Especially if they're not understanding them, they can just go back and watch as many times as they need to.
Yeah. Well, thanks so much for all the tips on YouTube. I'm a big fan.
Oh, thanks. That's awesome.
Yeah.
For
Okay.
sure.
Cool.